From urgent leak repairs and blockage removals to complete bathroom renovations and gas installations. We offer rapid response times and really affordable prices. Trusted in Auckland for over 20 years, we make sure that you are satisfied with every job. Don't wait for small problems to become big ones. Call us today or visit our website for a free estimate.